So with all hell still breaking loose with the leadership of the JFF, understandably, President Mike Ricketts is coming under more scrutiny, especially now with that friendly package agreed to with departing General Secretary Dalton Wint. People bawling about nepotism and friend business and blah, blah, blah. But let me clear this up once and for all. The JFF is not a government agency, and President Mike Ricketts is not a government minister or a permanent secretary paid by taxpayers' money. While Dalton Wint, as Gen Sec, was appointed by the JFF, so can be fired by the JFF, President Ricketts is only accountable to the world governing body of football, FIFA, and the JFF voting executive. Those are the only people who can remove President Ricketts from office. FIFA has set up the governance structure of football globally, totally insulated from parochial politics and organized people power. So all this big hullabaloo about Mike Ricketts next and Ricketts must go, on a stop, waste, on a breath. No amount of blocking of roads and burning of tires can remove Mike Ricketts from office. If the government think them bad and touch Mr. Ricketts, FIFA would lock down Jamaica's football forthwith. Now, all of that was just for your information.